Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw Batman. Start by drawing a circle as a guide for the top part of the head. To draw the circle, first make two small marks to indicate the circle's length, and then on the sides make two more small marks to indicate the circle's width. Then connect the marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also, pause the video to draw at your own pace. The circle doesn't have to be perfect, but if you're having a hard time drawing it, just trace the outer edge of a cup or a lid or anything else with a circular edge. Below the circle, make a small mark for the bottom part of the head. Then make the mark longer to create a horizontal line. On the left side, connect the horizontal line to the circle using a vertical line. On the right side, draw another vertical line for the other side of the jaw. Inside of the entire head shape, draw a long vertical line. This is a construction guide that will help you place the facial features later on. Curve the top part of this line so that it contours to the shape of the circle. Place this line close to the left edge of the head. Near the middle of the circle, draw a long curved horizontal line for another construction guide. Starting on the right side of the circle, draw a long vertical line as a guide for the neck. Below the head on the left side, draw a shorter vertical line for the rest of the neck. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, draw the eye on top of the horizontal construction guide and to the left of the vertical line. The bottom of the eye should be similar to a big check mark. Sketch the eye lightly at first, and when you get the shape right, darken the lines. Close off the shape at the top using a sloping line. The overall shape of the eye should be a thin triangle. Pay attention to the size of the eye in relation to the head. Now to the left of the vertical line, draw the other eye the same way but make it smaller. Start with a small checkmark shape at the bottom, and then close off the top with a sloping line. The entire shape of this eye should fit between the vertical line and the left edge of the circle. Below the eyes, lightly sketch a curved horizontal line for the mask opening. Follow the basic path of the horizontal guide as you draw this line. Curve the line downward at the vertical guide to create the pointy tip of the nose. When you get this shape right, darken the line. Then darken the square-like guide at the bottom to create the chin and jaw. Draw a sloping line on the lower right side so that the jaw isn't so angular. Now below the nose, draw a short horizontal line for the mouth. To the right, draw a short vertical line for a crease on the cheek. Now use the initial circle to draw the head. Extend the left side of the circle below the eye slightly to the left to create the cheekbone. Now darken the top left side of the circle to create the head. Make the top part of the head flatter than the initial circle. On the top right of the head, draw a big triangular shape for the first ear. First, draw a long sloping line that comes very close to the corner of the first eye. Then draw a vertical line on the right side for the rest of the shape. Now draw a curved horizontal line across the forehead for a bit of shine on the head. On top of the head, near the vertical construction guide, draw a short vertical line for the other ear. Then add a sloping line on the left side for the rest of the shape. Now connect the ear on the right to the vertical line to finish the shape of the neck. Darken the short line on the left side for the rest of the neck. Now go over the final lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. Don't ink the initial guidelines, only the final drawing. When the ink dries, erase all of the guidelines. Now color your drawing. Use peach for the lower half of the face. Color the highlight at the top of the head dark blue. On the right side of the neck, color a small rectangle for another highlight. Color the rest of the mask black. And that's it for Batman. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com, where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.